It's the crackling of the fire as the pine cones pop like corn. It's Audrey singing Rudolph while the little ones sing along. It's Grandpa dressed up like Santa, laughing ho ho ho. That's the sound of Christmas we all know. It's a crinkling of wrapping paper, folded up by who's and ahs. Then it's off to church to hear the choir and give our thanks to God. It's the silence of the morning, tucked in blankets of fresh snow. And that's the sound of Christmas we all know. Daddy says grace at the table, 3 generations say amen. Then it's eat and drink and talk and laugh with family and friends. Little town of Bethlehem on the radio. That's the sound of Christmas we all know. God says grace at the table, 3 generations say amen. Then we eat and drink and talk, laugh with family and friends. Little town of Bethlehem on the radio. That's the sound of Christmas we all know. That's the sound of Christmas we all know.